Presenting Mi Notebook Horizon Edition 14 in the color grey, which weighs 1.35 kg. Powered by 10th generation Intel Core i5-10210U processor with 1.6 GHz base speed, 4.2 GHz maximum speed, 4 cores and 8 threads, this notebook comes with pre-installed Office 365. The 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM with Nvidia MX350 2GB GDDR5 graphics card gives you a lag-free experience. With 512GB SSD, you can store your pictures, music, movies worry-free. This Mi Notebook gives you up to 10 hours of battery life. The 14-inch Full HD Horizon display with 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution and anti-glare screen gives you an immersive experience. The stereo speakers with DTS audio let you enjoy your music in its all glory. This Mi Notebook also features 720 pixels high-resolution webcam. This notebook has two USB 3.1 ports, one USB 2.0 port, one USB Type-C port, one HDMI Out port and a 3.5mm jack for easy connectivity. Inside the box you will find the notebook, power adapter, power cord and user manual. This notebook comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.